Hello, Martin.
Hello, darling. How you doing? Teammate. Hey?
What colour are you? Yeah, what colour are you?
Blue tie.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. If he's blue, he's just shot me. But he's not, he's a yellow, obviously, because he won't tell me.
Where is he? In the door? In the fucking window.
He's a blue.
What the fuck was that?
He was over by where
Toby, talk to me.
What's that? Where's that?
Where are they?
Oh no, I've got to change the semi.
Where are they?
On the boot, on the SWAT car.
SWAT car.
Alright, hang on. Behind it.
Behind it, yeah.
Mate, your head! Your fucking head!
That one.
Lads, watch up there.
What's on the window?
Barrel, cover.
Down there, is there?
And then he's going to go with this left one.
Lads, watch this side.
We've got two teams. One down.
He's there. Watch it, mate. Watch it. Left side. See straight in front where the blue smoke is. Yeah, that's where Toby is. And the enemy is straight in front on the other side where the blue barrels are.
Blue barrels?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll come. Toby hasn't got a radio, has he?
Oi! Blue barrel!
Here, Dad, I'm just going to watch this. Here a sec. Right, straight in front. He's just walking past. Daryl, you got one coming on this side here. Can you see him, John? Yeah. Yeah, I know, like the fucking snipers are over this side. Do you want to take the risk?
Go where?
Through? What do you reckon, Tobe? What's mine?
Straight up there.
Straight up there, yeah?
Straight up where? Round this way we go on.
Which way?
Narnia way.
Sniper there. Lads.
Yeah, we've got two here.
He's right there. Straight in front. Straight in front over there. Watch it now, they're straight in front. Hello, mate. We're close setups, really, aren't we? Similar.
A bit shorter than mine.
Here we go. Still going around that way.
Yeah.
You alright, Daryl?
Yo.
Oh, something's coming through. Is that blue or yellow?
Facing that way.
I think he's yellow. Daryl, there's one here. Right. Is he blue or yellow? Yeah. I got him.
12 o'clock.
Where?
Sniper, straight ahead of me. Oh, is that anyone?
Where?
End of the track.
Left side.
Just put him straight ahead. No, he's out. Okay. Is that done by them OSB?
I keep switching my fucking gun onto safety. And then wonder why I'm not fucking shooting.
Wouldn't shoot at that.
Push him! Daryl's one to your left. Literally he's there, one to the left.
Whereabouts?
Right, see,
Down there.
yeah, see the wooden cover. The boards. I can't reach him, he's a sniper.
Fucking loads of cunts.
Mate, I need... Where's that coming from? They're coming my direction. I think he's coming from there.
Oh, mate, anyway.
You hit. Can you see him? I need to reload. Give me cover, lads. Is he still there?
Yeah.
Wonder if I can flank him.
Might try it now.
Left side.
Going that way.
If you want to go that way, I'll go that way. Okay, now they're all coming in my direction here. I'm pinned. Fucking hell. Hello, mate. Where? Where?
You're peeking his head behind them barrels early.
See if I can get him on the scope.
Keeping on them barrels early.
Hello, brothers.
Mate, we've got straight over. What can you see, mate?
No, probably on the trees there. He's aiming right after this man. He knows exactly where we are. Be on it.
Fucking hell, Luke. Get 999 on the on the dive ready.
I saw him.
Did you? Where is he? There's a sniper, is it?
Yeah, right on the ground.
Mate, if you can point him out to me. Can you point him out? Yeah, we do. Did you see him run around then? He was just run over there. Anybody want to try and push up? Got him, Luke? Oh, watch it, is there? Hit!